Hey everyone, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is a quick and healthy snack recipe, roasted makhana, also known as fox nuts. Let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and to that add 100 grams of makhana. Keep stirring and roast it on a medium heat. You will know if it's crispy and ready if you can easily break it. Once ready, remove and set aside. And now in the same pan, add a teaspoon of ghee and some curry leaves. To this, add 2 tablespoons of almond. Fry for a minute. And then add 2 tablespoons of cashew. Roast this on a medium heat till it's done. Now add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts and fry for a minute. Now switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of raisins. Give a mix and now add the roasted makhana. Now it's time for seasoning. So add salt according to your taste. Add half a spoon of sugar, half a spoon of pepper powder. You can substitute with chili powder as well, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix everything well. It's time to serve. You can also cool it and store it in an airtight container and enjoy it for a long time. Do try out the snack recipe and let me know how you liked it. Until we meet again, happy cooking!